All right, 7th graders, this is to help you with question 4 on the third CR. Remember, my questions are similar but not the exact same problem. If a black circle represents the number +1 and a white circle represents the number -1, which diagram represents the number -4? Okay, so let's just see. They're saying black circles represent +1. And they're saying white circles represent -1. All right. I just got to make sure I have that. All right. So white circles represent -1. So this is -1, -2, -3, -4. That would be -4. And black circles represent +1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this represents -4 plus 4. Guess what -4 plus 4 is? Those are actually additive inverses. The sum of -4 and 4 gets you back to 0. You may be doing 0 pairs in class, so you can always cross out one negative with one positive, one negative with one positive, one negative with one positive, one negative with one positive. Overall, you have no chips left. Okay, next one. The white circle would represent -1. This represents +1, +2, +3, +4. So now we have -1 plus 4. Some of you might still be using your number line. So here's -1. If I'm at -1 and I'm adding 4, I'm moving 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where do I end up? There's 0, 1, 2, 3. So I end up at a +3. Again, you could cross out a 0 pair. You could take one negative, one positive, those 0 out, and you're left with 3 positives. All right, we're trying to find the number -4. I'm not there yet. So these white circles represent -1, so -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So we're at -5. Black circle represents a +1, so I'll add 1 to that, see where I'm at. Again, if you need your number line, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. If I start at -5 and I'm adding 1, adding a positive moves to the right. So I move to the right 1, I end up at -4. Hey, this is looking good. Again, you could also do it by crossing out a 0 pair. One negative with one positive, bye-bye, and we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4 negatives. So it is definitely C. This one right here, the blacks represent positive, so that's +1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a +4. I want to make sure you really read which circles represented positives and which circles represented negatives. All right, so hopefully that helps. That's how you figure out your similar problem.